First, the top stories. Cyclone Bulbul claims 13 lives. Bomb exploded at Langthabal, Imphal, no casualties. And former UNLF chief R.K. Meghen leaves Guwahati for Delhi, say sources. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ Tabang giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Cyclone Bulbul has ripped through coastal areas of Bangladesh and India, killing at least 13 people, while more than 2 million others were forced to spend a night in storm shelters. Cyclone Bulbul packed winds of up to 120 km per hour, 75 mph, injuring dozens and destroying thousands of homes. 5 of the 6 who lost their lives in Bangladesh were hit by falling trees. Media reports say that further casualties were avoided because people were evacuated in time. 7 people were killed in the West Bengal. West Bengal is one of the worst hit areas in India. While in Bangladesh, 5 victims hit by trees in Bangladesh, including a 52-year-old woman who died when a tree dropped onto her house. A 60-year-old fisherman also lost his life after ignoring evacuation warnings. There are increasing concern after 2 fishing boats carrying more than 30 men failed to return. Around 1,200 tourists, most of them Bangladeshi, were stuck on St. Martin's Island, part of Cox's Bazar district. A bomb was exploded in front of the Bharatiya Infra Project Limited office located at Langthabal, Lep Awang Likai, Imphal West early this morning. A report said the blast took place at around 5, but it did not cause any casualty. The office-cum-residence building belongs to one Ningombam Ibo Choba, age 49 years, son of N. Nabakumar. No group has claimed responsibility. A case has been registered at Singzamei police station in this regard. Former chairman of the proscribed United National Liberation Front UNLF Sanayama alias R.K. Meghen left Guwahati for New Delhi in Indigo flight this morning. As per sources, he was accompanied by one of his sons and a lawyer. Meghen was released from the Guwahati Central Jail on November 9 last, 1 day ahead of the official schedule after completing his 10 years jail term. He was arrested by NIA and sentenced for waging war against the country. Reasons over his Delhi visit is unknown. Retired IAS officer Dr. R.K. Nimai Singh today launched a liquid deodorant production unit of MSMIDC Enterprises, Tagil Industrial Estate, C18, Imphal West District, under the aegis of CSIR Northeast Institute of Science and Technology, Jorhat, Assam branch lab at Lamfelpat, Imphal. Senior Principal Scientist of CSIR NEIST Branch Lab, Lamfelpat, Dr. Huidrom Bir Kumar Singh, Managing Director of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Mr. Peter Salam, Project Coordinator of MSME Technology Center, Nilukuthi, Dr. S. Yorentomba Mitei attended the program as main guest. R.K. Nimai said that in order to start a business in Manipur, survey of the local market is needed before stepping into the national and international level. 4 persons were injured in a road mishap that took place near Gambhir shopping complex in Imphal West late last night. As per reports, the injured were rushed to the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, for medical treatment. Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up next, Writers' Convention on the role of writers in safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur Health.
Yang what?
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo Koknaba Rebalance.
Soktabadu Koknaba Rebalance.
Rebalance na haksang salt amadi electrolytes singi awat pa mekatuna. Adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Nanai Day Spa and Salon. Special offer to welcome winter of 2019. 30% discount pijari. November gitang taradagi kun fawb khaktamak pijaba discount ne. Pijariba services singde haircut, facial, hair spa, foot detox, microneedling treatment for face, body spa and scrub, far infrared sauna for detoxification asina chingmani. Extra charges yaudana yumda laktuna service su pijari. Ayuk pung taradagi numidang wairam pung taruk phawba hangjari. Ngasi maglengsin birau Nanai Day Spa and Salon. New Chekon Road, SBI ATM Building near Globis. Contact number 0385 244 7383 Natraga 244 7385.
Hey Lola, nang phone yaw bra?
Yaw eh.
Lamjing ba kep kau ne? Apang?
Ay kaw tu re.
Manipuri ahanba 24/7 service oiriba lamjing ba kep service namyamgi seva tawjari.
Manipur ki district sing amadi mapal lam sing loina na luhongba amadi atay thogok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakau bagidamak akhanna ba awar package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gidamak lamjing ba kep service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple.
Welcome back after the break. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur today organized a writers' convention on the role of writers in safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur at Manipur Dramatic Unit Imphal. Expressing deep concern over the present situation facing the state, Forum Secretary Rakesh Naram said that it was not the right time for writers in the state to remain silent. Rakesh maintained that all the writers should use their flair and write about the situation and crisis.
London City Puari, I was myself, my name sing like you do not have Birambadi. Puari sing a sea, Maca, Hosiki Miro, Sina, Santa Gadoribadi. Matsep Tavaki Puari, Tungi Mirota, Cut Senaran Gumsi, a same by picking on Kayamadi, upon me, Sakamado, Mayek Nana, Iduna, Tamoshi, Masida, I was singing to them, young South.
An alert protest was jointly held by SYDA Club and Sagolban Constituency Progressive Committee SCPC today at the Sagolban Kamlangba Community Hall, Imphal. Attending the protest, MLA of Sagolban Constituency RK Imo said that it was high time for all to work together and make an all effort to sort out the current issues besieging the state. Imo also underlined on safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur by putting aside all differences.
Masida koi ruling haiba masida pamam thokte or opposition haiba kan tawde akoi opposition da leiba MLA sing su tanabiu kari leige khangan biu kari leige haiba se khanga matung ne koi su pangthok pangam duri se aduna koi pulap humpu se manaba darka tai humpu sida natna atai political parties me amna su represent tobiba aduga civil societies me amgi leiriba koi gi group me am su pulla matungda pam meba akoi na haiba saktam khara koi na puthok chari ba se akoi point khara ina mamang da thamjagi bse akoi masida ahen basu yarongani award pasu yarongani masi akoi amatoina puthominaraga akoi state government amadi central government da akoi pulap taksamina si haidna smaina thamja.
A combined team of Bishnupur and Kumbi police arrested a drug peddler along with 10 kg of opium last evening near Masjid of Borayangbi, Thobalikai. According to reports, the arrested has been identified as Riaz Khan, aged 27 years, of Borayangbi, Thobalikai, Bishnupur district. The 7th edition of Notice Festival wrapped up yesterday at the Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, New Delhi. The closing day witnessed symposium on tribal language, fashion show by designer Maxwell Yangoiza from Manipur, during which Manipuri renowned actress Soma Laisram walked the ramp as showstopper. Alongside a performance by Assamese popular singer Papoon, the fest had 100 stalls of authentic and exotic handloom products and local cuisines of the region. The closing function of the festival was attended by Union Minister of Food Processing Rameshwar Telly as chief guest. Former Chief Election Commissioner CEC T.N. Sesan, who is known for bringing reforms in the Indian election system, passed away at the age of 88 yesterday in Chennai following a cardiac arrest. According to reports, Tirunelai Narayana Seshan was a 1955 batch Indian Administrative Service IAS officer of the Tamil Nadu cadre. Union Minister and Shiv Sena MP Arvind Sawant today announced that he is going to resign from Narendra Modi cabinet as per media reports. He holds the post of Minister of Heavy Industries and Public Enterprises in cabinet. The minister called out the BJP government for being untrue to their promises. Foizing Awang Nupilub, Foizing Tongba, Women's Society, Foizing Teramakong Nupilub and Foizing Chingning Nupilub held an alert protest in support of Kokomi at Nambol Foizing Awang Bazaar yesterday. The first phase of computer lab installation at 35 schools by the Coordinating Committee All Manipuri Youth and Students Welfare Association concluded at Kanglei Park Modern School, Kadangbam, Imphal. On the concluding day, a computer lab was inaugurated at the school. Speaking at the event, convener of the committee, Khundrakwam Rameshwar, expressed unhappiness that the current school fee structure is quite high in the state of Manipur. Rameshwar further said they will start the second phase of computer lab installation in early 2020. Former Minister of Tripura, Badal Chaudhary, was sent to 4-day police custody in an alleged corruption case by a district court in Tripura today. According to reports, West Tripura District and Session Court Special Judge Sabyasachi Datta sent the veteran CPIM leader to police custody after completion of his 3-day judicial custody. Badal Chaudhary, an 8-time MLA and former Lok Sabha member, was in the hospital with numerous ailments after his arrest. He was arrested by the crime branch on October 21st this year in connection with the reported PWD scam that was under investigation. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Singbudo hayo, kamaina state asiki examination da nang natop oy riba no ba? Ay na sukan no hona ba? Aduga position manung phawo chanda ba?
Larik yam na pahaba su, larik yam na higani, mak yam phangani habde lan gani. Aikoibu takpi tambiriba oza singdugi way of teaching and guidelines singdugi makhayam na ponbra na khali wahase sangdok naragomse. Ngasi ay na may paknise. Mukta Tutorials credit pizza. Mukta Tutorials. Handaki oina class 10 number 12 thagadaba students singi revision class lakliba November 14 gi hauzaragani.
Center asida hena khudong chaba amana subject amagi course fee supna dagi lupa 3,300 na oigani.
Kaubiraganu Mukta Tutorials Kwakathil Mayai Koibi opposite Millennium Institute of Science.
Smart Tutorial Center. Revision course for class 12 will start from 11 November and for class 10 from 12 December 2019. Run by well-trained and experienced board and council teachers. Concession for ex-smart students. Transport facilities and separate hostels for boys and girls available. For more details, please contact Smart Tutorial Center, Singzamui Supermarket, Radheshyam Shopping Complex. Contact number 8730 999 192.
Hey Lola, nang phone yaw bra?
Yawe.
Lamjingba kep kau ne, apang?
Ay kauturi.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 service oiriba lamjingba cab service namyamgi seva tawjari.
Manipur gi district sing amadi mapal lam sing loinana luhongba amadi atei thodok sing gisu discount pijari. Ningol chakubagi damak akhanna ba hour package discount pijari. Ngasi mag book tobiu hena akupa marol gi damak lamjingba cab service Nagamapal Rims Road near Nityananda Temple.
Welcome back. Assam Industries and Commerce Department signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with Malaysia India Business Council MIBC in Guwahati yesterday. The MOU was signed in presence of Industries Minister Chandramohan Patwari and President MIBC Tan Sri Irkuna Satampalam. Both the parties agreed to explore and improve the two-way trade and investment between India and Malaysia in sectors like education, tourism, primary industries, etc. Assistance will be accorded to business or trade missions from India visiting Malaysia and vice versa in seminars, conferences, exhibitions, economic and technical fairs, Information Bureau, symposia or similar event taking place in each other's country. It was also decided to accelerate engagement, trade, cultural exchange to unlock the potential sectors between Assam and Malaysia. More than 14 people suffered injuries after two trains collided at the Kachigura railway station in Hyderabad today morning. According to a report, MMTS train rammed into Kongu Express, which was waiting at the platform, leading to chaos among the passengers and railway station officials. The mishap reportedly took place due to a fault in the signal. The schedules of several train services are said to have been affected due to the accident. The railway authorities are in the process of rescheduling some trains. The injured were shifted to a nearby hospital for treatment. Minibuses began plying on some routes in the city of Srinagar today, while railways conducted two successful trial runs on the Srinagar-Baramulla stretch ahead of the resumption of the train service tomorrow. It may be mentioned that train service has been suspended since 5th August when the centre decided to abrogate Article 370. Media reports said that railways conducted a trial run of the service for the first time in over 3 months since they shut down in the valley. At least 3 people are dead and thousands have been displaced by 3 days of dangerous weather conditions in New South Wales, NSW and Queensland. According to a media report, the worst danger will come tomorrow in areas around Sydney, the nation's largest city. More than 120 bushfires are burning across the two states. The blazes have scorched 970,000 hectares of land and destroyed 150 houses. 9 homes have been razed in Queensland. Let's now have the sports news. KH Roshni, who bagged a gold medal in the 5th South Asian Cadet Junior and Senior Karate Champion, was warmly received at Betty Kendrizit International Airport, Imphal today. The Karate Champion was held from November 7 to 9 at Dhaka, Bangladesh. Khangembam Rosni Chanu is the daughter of KH Mani Meitei and KH Anita Laima of Salan Konjil Part 2 under Saiton Gram Panchayat in Bisnupur district. Rosni trained under Manipur Amateur Karate Do Association MAKA and was selected to represent India in the 54 plus kgs Cadet Girls Kumute sparring event. Liverpool opened up an 8-point lead at the top of the Premier League with an emphatic and hugely impressive 3-1 win over defending champions Manchester City at Anfield on Sunday. The victory is sealed with goals from Fabinho, Mohamed Salah and Sadio Mane leaves unbeaten Liverpool on 34 points from 12 games, 8 ahead of Leicester City and Chelsea, and 9 in front of Pep Guardiola's 4th place City. Pakistan have filed an appeal with the International Tennis Federation ITF challenging its decision to shift the Davis Cup tie against India to a neutral venue with the assertion that Islamabad is well equipped to host the clash. As per media reports, the Pakistan Tennis Federation PTF President Salim Saifullah said that a formal appeal has been filed with an international body and they were expected a positive response by November 15. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Cyclone Bulbul claims 13 lives. Bomb exploded at Langthabal, Imphal, no casualties. And former UNLF chief R.K. Meghan leaves Guwahati for Delhi, say sources. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.